Okay, I decided to make this a real quick video on OBDII scanners, the little Bluetooth scanners. I use the Torque app. I just found it. I was on a Jeep forum and somebody said, get the Torque app, it's awesome, it's got all kinds of cool features. So I downloaded the Pro version for $4.95 off of Play Store. And then I decided, well, which one of these little Bluetooth adapters do I get? So I found a couple, looking at different videos and different websites. And the first one I ordered was this one, the JCST Best off of Amazon. It was $9.99. Comes with a little, user manual or whatever, and it does have a little thing on the back where you can actually download some software to come with it. I did not do that because I'm really afraid of malware that comes from sources that are not something I trust. So I didn't download the accompanying software. I just synced it to my phone, Bluetooth, and used the code 1234 to pair it with my Bluetooth. Started up the Torque app, no problem. Fired right up, plugged it into a 2012 Jeep Wrangler, read everything, did everything. I was able to set it up to monitor anything I wanted to, mode 6 included. It was just great. So $9.99, Torque app, you want it, get it. So basically for 15 bucks, you've got the whole deal. And even you can go to the internet with Torque, and see suggested solutions to your problems and all that good stuff. Clear check engine lights, whatever you want to do. Next one I got was this, the ELM 327, which is really popular. I believe it was like $13.99 on Amazon. I do like the quality of this adapter just a little bit better. But anyway, it worked about exactly the same as the $9.99 one. Came in the box, no directions. It does have a thing to scan, and they want you to download their software. Again, don't do that. I've been told it's malware, and it's got malware in it or whatever. I don't know, but I didn't download it. Anyway, so I synced this up, and interestingly enough, it and the JCST Best both are identified by my Bluetooth on my phone, which is a Pixel 3 XL. Running Android 11. It comes up in the Bluetooth settings as OBDII. That's it. So I checked, and I had to go into settings on the Torque app to switch the adapter to the last two digits of the MAC address, which was 4B, to make sure that it synced up to the Torque app like it was supposed to, and it did. And again, I was able to do anything and everything I wanted to do, no problems. Mode 6, everything. If you've never used the Torque app, check it out. It's a simple graphical user interface that only has a few things like evident, but if you press and hold the screen, once you're hooked up to your vehicle, you can add bars and graphs, and then when it'll ask you, well, what do you want to add this bar for, or what do you want to add this graph for, or this digital readout, it'll give you a list all the way down of all the parameters that it reads, mode 6 included, oxygen sensors, fuel trim, misfires, all kinds of crazy stuff, and they're all live. It reads live data and everything while your car's running, so you just assign each graph that you create on your desktop to whatever you want it to go to. And I'm telling you, the things read stuff that scanners only read when they're $500, $600, $700 or more. So anyway, either one of these two is great. I bought them both, and they both work great, so check them out. So for this one here, so like 14 plus 5, so you're looking at 19 bucks with this and the Torque app Pro, or 15 bucks for this and the Torque app Pro. They both do the exact same thing. They work great, and I would highly suggest getting them because you don't have to pay for any additional subscriptions or models or anything like that. If your car's a 96 and up, these things are going to read it with the Torque app, and you can do whatever you want. You can even like on my Jeep, I was able to recalibrate my my throttle, which is kind of fly-by-wire. It's electronic. You hit the gas pedal, there's a servo that that opens and closes the throttle. I recalibrated that, all kinds of stuff. So anyway, just wanted you guys to know either one of these work great, and they're cheap, and you don't have to worry about all those subscriptions for different models.